triangle ABC, right angle at B. AB equals to 24 centimeters, BC equals to 7 centimeters. Determine sin A, cos A. Second one, sin C, cos C. See the concept. In triangle ABC. In triangle ABC. ABC is a triangle. Right angle at B. Right angle at B. So A, B, C. This is the right angle triangle. Right angle at B. Okay. So AB equals to 24 centimeters. 24 centimeters. BC is 7 centimeters. Okay. Determine sin A and cos A. Okay. Sin A means what? Side opposite to A over hypotenuse. So side opposite to A. Side opposite to A is BC. Hypotenuse is AC. We don't know the value of AC. Okay. Using Pythagoras theorem, first find the value of AC. See. Given AB equals to 24 centimeters. BC equals to 7 centimeters. Okay. Using Pythagoras theorem from triangle ABC. Using Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse square, that means AC square equals to AB square plus BC square. Okay. AC value, we don't know the value of AC square equals to AB value 24 square plus BC value 7 square. So 24 square value 576. So 7 square value 49. So AC square equals to 576 plus 49. So AC square equals to 9 plus 6 is 15. 1 balance. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 7 is 15. 1 plus 5 is 6. Okay. See once this is wrong. 9 plus 6 is 15. 1 balance. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 7 is 12. 1 balance. 1 plus 6 is 1. 1 plus 5 is 6. So AC square equal to 625. AC equals to square root of 625. That equals to square root of 625 value how much? 25. So the value of AC is 25. Now first one, sin A. Sin A means what? Side opposite to A over hypotenuse. Side opposite to A is AB. Sorry, BC. Side opposite to A is BC. By hypotenuse is AC. So BC value how much? 7. AC value 25. Next, cos A. Cos A means side adjacent to A by hypotenuse. Side adjacent to A is AB. Hypotenuse is AC. So AB value 24. AB value 24 by 25. AC value is 25. Okay. Second one, sin C. Sin C means what? Side opposite to C. Side opposite to C by hypotenuse. What is the side opposite to C? AB. Sin C equals to side opposite to C by hypotenuse. Side opposite to C is AB. Hypotenuse is AC. So AB value how much? 24. AC value 25. Next, cos C. Cos C means side adjacent to C. This is the opposite. Hypotenuse, remaining side is adjacent. Side adjacent to C. Side adjacent to C by hypotenuse. Side adjacent to C is BC. Hypotenuse is AC. That means hypotenuse is AC, so AC. BC value how much? 7. BC value 7. Hypotenuse AC value 25.